team at Excel Dryer. I work as an assembler and assist in building the hand dryers. I also complete sub work and also projects that are needed. It is a really empowering to build these products that are globally and help to keep people safe and healthy daily.
Hi, I'm Julia. I'm the Technical Support Manager at Excel Dryer. I help customers every day troubleshoot their hand dryers and figuring out what's going on with them. I mostly talk to a lot of electricians and plumbers, maintenance people who are usually men and can be a little surprised when it's me who answers the phone. But it's a really good feeling when I can successfully fix their hand dryer or advise them of the part that they need, and they realize that I'm very knowledgeable about our hand dryers. And it really gives me a sense of empowerment and makes me feel really proud and happy to work at Excel Dryer.